Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Google Forms and how you can customize the theme, specifically the text. So you can see I have my sample form here. I'm going to go up to Customize Theme. And now I'm going to change the text off for the header. So you can see right in here's your header. So I'm going to change this one. If you don't like what you see there, what you can do is you can always come down here and scroll through. So you can see there's a lot down here. But I'm going to go ahead and let's just choose that right in here. Now we're going to go ahead into the question itself, and let's change this one to, I don't know, right there. And then if we go into the text itself, let's just change that one to, let's scroll down here a little bit. Apologize for that. Let's change it to, let's just do Times New Roman. Of course, you can go ahead down, add your header image as well as change your color. And you can see it changes right in there. So there you go. That's how you can change your text in a Google form. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.